Hello everyone. Today my topic is TV remote jammer. Before going to my topic, I want to introduce myself. My name is Souma. I have done my bachelor's in electronics and telecommunication engineering. So let's move to the topic. Okay, TV remote jammer. How does it look like? This is something it looks like. I have some of the devices mounted here, or we can say connected here. Of course, I have seen the circuit diagram and then I have mounted it. What is this board? This board is called as breadboard. I have a sample. This is the breadboard. Why we call it as breadboard? Because we have holes. As like we have holes on bread, same we have holes here. So this is the reason this is called as breadboard. Okay. So what components are we using? We are using diodes, BJTs, IC555 timers, resistors, and some connecting wires, and one infrared LED. What is TV remote jammer is basically, TV has two types. One is transmitter, that is your remote, and one is receiver, that is the red LED below of your TV. Okay, so this circuit, what it does, this is the circuit. What it actually does is, it blocks the transmitter signal that will go to the receiver. It blocks the transmitter signal that will go to the receiver. This is the IC, or we can see as integrated circuit. How it actually looks like is, you can see here. It's also called as IC555 or timer circuits. We have 8 pins. Every pin has different functions. And we have BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. It's basically a normal transistor. There are two types of transistor. One is bipolar junction transistor and the second is unipolar junction transistor. Each one has different types and different functions. Now we will see what is bipolar junction transistor. There are two types of bipolar junction transistor. One is NPN and second is PNP. It's very easy to know due to the symbol. NPN has the arrow downwards and PNP has the arrow upwards. There are three terminals in BJT, that is in bipolar junction transistor. The first is base, second is collector, and the third is emitter.
Okay guys, so now I will show you how does the circuit works. I'm using a 9-volt battery. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. So I disconnected it. You can see that I am using a red LED. I am not using an infrared LED. The reason behind that is, infrared LED is not seen. The light is not seen through naked eyes. That's the reason I am using a red LED. This is IC555. These are resistors. This is capacitor. These are diodes. This is BJT. And this is a potentiometer, or we can say a variable resistor. So I'm connecting this negative terminal to the breadboard and see, you can see the LED is glowing. It means the circuit is working.